Hey everyone, this is Kirk with An Easier Way to Trade. Before you watch this video, do me a favor, like and subscribe to our page to get more videos of our EA. Guys, we are crushing the market, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Kirk with An Easier Way to Trade. So excited to bring you our EA. Look at the results that our members are having right now with An Easier Way to Trade Semi-EA with management. Why we say management? Because guys, I've never seen another EA where you actually manage the trades, which actually helps you to minimize your losses and maximize your profits. So what I mean by that is we tell our members that run your EA only when you're able to look at your charts either on your computer or your cell phone to be able to detect which trades that you want to stay in and which ones you want to close early because they may be consolidating. We want to have the trades that are trending run, and the ones that are consolidating want to cut them short. And as with doing that, our members are having great success, as you can see. We're even having members passing the FTMO and demo and going live with it right now. We've had a couple of members already pass and actually getting ready to go live with it. Because again, we're managing the EA, guys. There's no other EA out there or any place where I've seen where people are actually doing this. And that's what sets us apart. When we manage the EA, when we run the EA, only when we can actually, look at it and see which trades that we want to stay in, which one we want to close, then we can actually have better results with the EA. And again, these are these are screenshots of people with their live accounts, some live and some demo accounts who are testing our EA. The FTMO, the prop firms, guys, we're super excited that we can actually have an EA with low drawdown to be able to pass this thing. Again, when you're managing it, you don't have to worry about that, guys. So now we're extending our registration till next Monday. That you can actually sign up and enjoy 30 days up to the end of March. Of using the EA. So again, we're extending the registration until the 13th, which is next Monday, where you can sign up at AnEasierWayToTrade.com and test drive our EA.